Bitcoin 35K. All right. So, hello, hello, hello. Good evening, everyone. Yes, for those who are in YouTube, let me know. Yeah. Anyways, we still have like around 3 minutes, okay, before 7:30, and then we will have to start. But yeah, let's just wait for everyone for now. But till then, what do you guys think of crypto? I mean, like, what do you guys think generally of Bitcoin right now? Hmm? By the way, thank you for the like of the ano ha sa my TikTok. Cryptivia, let the bull run begin. Yeah, I'll explain later. It's gonna be very exciting. Ice White Mocha, thank you for liking the live. Thank you so much. Okay. October. Alright. So where are the others? Cornflakes. Ayun. So welcome, cornflakes. Yes. We also have Julio. Oh, how are you doing, Julio? We also have Raju. Yes, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Again, for those who are on TikTok, do not be shy, guys, to drop by sa, ano, ha, sa YouTube. That's the ano, yan, right there. Mayari Capital. Just type it in. Okay? So, yesterday, we were running around like 1,300 and 80 subs, right? Around there. So for the new subscribers or for the new members of the community right now that we have in YouTube, welcome. Okay, and hopefully, I can be a help with your trading journey. So if you guys have any questions related to crypto, to trading, I'll try my best to answer that. Okay. Chunako, good evening, madam. Yes, good evening, good evening. X. Hi, X. It's my first time seeing you here. Welcome. So I think Bitcoin will retest 35,200. Yan yung sabi ni X. If it breaks, we'll move to 37, 38K, my opinion. I'll discuss about that later, X. Sige? Um, I'll show you. Sige? So, Jack, hello, October. May pang birthday na ako. Oh, kailan yung birthday mo, Jack? This October ba? Or November? Or December? Yes, October. Pullback yan this November. We'll see. Yes, Iron Man. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome again. All right. So let me just check. Okay, the people in the YouTube right now. I would like to see that. So just give me a moment, guys, for those who are in TikTok. Okay. All right. Okay. So guys, thank you again for the likes. Thank you so much. Yeah, I appreciate that. So, okay, so 7:30, let's have our start. Okay, so yesterday, I discussed with you. Let's open the 1 hour section of the Bitcoin. This area was a resistance, a pretty strong resistance of Bitcoin. And this has been going on since July. I'm telling you, since July. But as we can see, easily it got broken. That is a clear. Okay, walang ano yan, walang fake out or anything. That is a clear as the sky, diba? Broken yan. So this trade got invalidated, but I have posted in my Instagram. I took the opportunity that I know there will be a rejection. So, I did a scalp. Yeah. So this one, that trade position is done. So as we can see, the 4 hour, diba? We talked that there's a divergences right around this area. And then the 12 hours, wala pa. So we can see it in the 6 hours, we can see it in the 4 hours, right? So that's why I wanted, like I have mentioned yesterday, I wanted the daily candles yesterday to have a close. So, yung kahapon, kaninang 8 a.m. yan nag-close andito. That's one of the thing. So, that is a clear breakout, okay? For everyone, that is a clear breakout. So, now let's talk about what to expect, okay, with Bitcoin. All right. So, let's open up our balik tayo sa weekly because I'm gonna show you guys something. No, monthly pala, monthly. There was a line in here, diba? You guys remember that? We've been planning that since like months ago, around July. I have shown this with everyone that by the candle close of the monthly right here, okay, right there, 34,966. So right around that area, that is the major uh resistance point for Bitcoin. That's a monthly candle close, guys. That's big. That is why we're getting that reaction right now. If you can see, right here, monthly to guys, ha. This candlestick, can you see? On the lower time frame, nag-reject talaga yan. Given that this area, let me change it to red and let me, yan. That is again, the monthly candle close of the higher time frame. That is the 35K level. So, with that said, um, we actually have 7 days, guys, okay? Monthly to ha, for October. 7 days before the full month of October will end. So, with that, we're gonna be we have to be patient, okay? So what do we need? If the candle closes below this red line, okay, I'll show you. Pero yung ano niya, yung candle niya ha, hanggang dyan nag-close, like by the body, like, okay, like near to the resistance line. Guys, expect the November to have a fight. A fight meaning like there's a high chance that it's gonna go break this to the upside. Kahit miss, oh, pero baba yan ng ano, ng red line. Let me tell you, monthly close yan. Monthly close. There's a high chance that it's gonna have a fight. Given that, okay, I'll show you guys. This right here, this was an impulse. 151 days yan, that's almost like 1 year. And you have to think that Bitcoin has been consolidating for what? For almost 153 days. This consolidation, okay, for everyone to see, andito po yan. Let me ignore the name. Oops, not this one. Ignore the name, ano ha? Oh, hindi siya kita. Why so? Sige, so let me do that one manually. Andito. Okay, this area, guys, ha? This was the consolidation point of Bitcoin. Again, this is a monthly chart. And that is like half a year. Almost half a year, 153 days. Can you imagine? The next candle, which is, this October, finally have a breakout. So I'm telling you, kahit mag-close lang yan handyan dyan, guys, oh, the next candle, kahit mga weekly, daily yan, it will have a push all the way to like around this area. Later, I'll show you guys this area, ha. I cannot give the details yet of the values kasi hindi pa natin natignan. But for now, this candlestick of the monthly. Okay? So, Miss, what about pag nag-close yung candlestick, andito. Yan. Guys, di ba? Oh, Miss, what is this yellow line? That yellow line was the previous high. Po, andyan. Previous high yan ng consolidation. That was the most high of the consolidation. Let me take this out so everyone can see. You know what? I'll change the yellow line to a horizontal ray right here. So, exact point talaga. Yan. So, with that said, pag yung candle natin, the current candle monthly, closes by this red line. Let me change this to green. Yan. Pag yan nag-close hanggang dyan, pababa, I'm telling you, Bitcoin is gonna range right here again. That I am telling you. So, dalawang conditions So, any area guys, any closing of the candle monthly right now above the green line, etong green line na yan, okay, there is a high chance that Bitcoin is gonna fight all the way up. Now, let's say that the Bitcoin candle closes above the red line. That is, kahit ano, okay, that's pretty bullish. That's it. Simple as that. Pretty bullish. Expect the next candle to be pushing to the upside. All right. So, any other questions, everyone? Yeah. Any other question? Let me see the YouTube. Oh, Lynch, hello. Good evening. It's been a long time. Yes, it's been a long time. Um, how long have you been trading? Whom are you asking, X? Are you asking me or a member in the YouTube? Let me know. Okay? So, Jack, bukas na miss. Talaga bukas na? Wait. Anong gusto mo? Charot. Like, ano eh. Anong gusto mo, Jack? Okay, so, Stephen, what is the best entry ma'am for Bitcoin para sa mga nakapag-sell at walang entry lower 30K? Alright. So, I'll try to find Stephen maya. Sa lower time frame tayo maghanap. Chul, hello miss. Yes, hello Chul. Again, guys, for those who are in TikTok, you're welcome to join us sa YouTube ha. Right here, you can watch the full screen in YouTube. That's it. Okay, so let's continue muna our discussion because, Bitcoin is really important with the movement, what is going on right now, because then outs will follow. That's why we have to see what Bitcoin is doing and what is it, what it wants to do pa. So I'm just gonna double check everything again by the details right here. 0.382, that's a clear rejection right around that area. 0.5, okay, maximum 0.68 618 of the golden level right around here. And another one, so this is September 19. By the way, guys, we do not have any data way past 2019 right here because this is a Binance chart. Okay, if I don't want to do the full on deep analysis with Bitcoin, so ito lang. So yeah, 0.3, and right around here we have another supply, but to be exact, mamaya refine natin yan. So let's put this our supply zone. I don't know why it's not showing. So that's our supply zone of the monthly, but we will refine that in a while. Okay. All right. So let's see this trend, because this trend, guys, can you see the monthly of the MACD? Yeah. Finally, that's a pretty bullish. If the monthly closes, we still have 7 days before the monthly closes. So if the monthly closes bullishly and above the MACD, guys, I'm telling you, I don't think Bitcoin is gonna wait for the halving. It's gonna have its own move. And by the strength of the RSI, we have a lot of room to grow. A lot. And itong graph ng RSI na to, okay, I'll show to TikTok yan. This is pretty bullish, guys. There is no bearish sign in here. If we look at the monthly, wala. So, now, for those who are, in long term with Bitcoin, miss, I want to do long term investment with Bitcoin. I can tell you the probability of Bitcoin going up, give it like 6 to like 12 months from now, is pretty high. Guys, where was this? From the ano lang from the bottom, from the ending of the bear market, this whole section right here, we already did 100% return. And no, we're not in the bull market yet. Not yet. So, okay, I hope you guys understand that. Yes. Okay. Sige. So, monthly, pretty bullish. No bearish sign or no weaknesses, nothing. So, let me open the 2 weeks chart. Right, just for some okay, ito yung accumulation na nakikita natin. I mean, nakita natin sa monthly, which is 153 days. And finally, we break that out. And this 2 weeks, guys, that's a pretty nice recovery of the 2 weeks. Ito yung ano niya, ito yung picture niya right now. Parang nag-recover siya from the supposed, oh, there's a possible, you know, push to the downside. Now, I'll do a recap so you guys will see. Currently, if you'll see it by this point lang ha, there's a 50-50 chance that it's gonna have a drawdown. And by the monthly, can you see? Monthly is literally fighting off the push to the upside. But as you know, by the present data right now, yung present date natin, which is the monthly, that we literally have the crossover now. And if the October is gonna close, guys, ha, and asan na to? Oh, yeah, ka muna, hello. Thank you for sending finger hearts. I miss those. Thank you, yes. Alright, so yeah. So, but now, can you guys see now, as we collect the data, tables have turned, right? So, monthly is pretty bullish, especially if we close the October like this. And the new 2 weeks natin, that's a pretty strong recovery. Can you see how strong that histogram? Yeah, diba? Pretty strong, right? Yakamuna missed yesterday. I know. I did not saw you. Yeah. Wag ni Kwan. Ito talaga malupit na crypto trader. Dati ko na to pinapanood eh. Wow. Thank you, Wagmi. Yeah? How long have you been watching? Years na ba? I've been in crypto for years, but I'm not active in posting any videos anymore in TikTok kasi palagi siyang palagi siyang taken daw, community violation daw or something. I don't even post anything. It's literally like, sharing my thoughts on a trade. Nagte-trade breakdown lang ako sa TikTok ha. Pero I don't know why they always take it down. So, katamad mag-edit na guys. Katamad. Kaya I do not post any videos na sa may TikTok. That's why you guys can see me doing live na lang. Yes? And we're live in YouTube kasi in YouTube it's much more open. Much more open tayo sa YouTube, right? Okay, so dry Vermouth. I'm planning po to enroll po sana sa inyo. How much po? Sana po. Okay, so dry Vermouth, are you asking for like a mentorship? Do you want to have like a one-on-one mentorship or like a group mentorship? Because I have a couple of people now who has been asking for, for mentorship. And at the same time, I understand that, on the private mentorship, medyo hindi siya, not everyone can, or has that funds, kumbaga, to proceed with it. So, yeah, drive out group po sana. Okay, so with group, I'll try to arrange that because I have some couple of people messaging me also already. So we'll see. I'll announce if I'll try to open it because guys, If I will open it, I will try to finish it by the end of this year. I have mentioned it already before that I'm not gonna be accepting any private student anymore by the end of this year because next year is gonna be pretty busy na sa market, crypto market. So that's why if you guys can see, I'm just traveling right now, going in and out, right? Traveling lang. Because once the market resumes in a sense of like, bull market, money flowing in, that's the time that I'm gonna be very busy with market and trading. Sige. So I'll try to open that before the year ends. I will do that. I will announce. So just stay tuned. So driver mount. So for that, um, what was the word for this? Yeah. So stay tuned sa Instagram na lang. Yeah, driver mount. So you have direct access. I understand in TikTok. Nagla-live na lang ako dito sa TikTok eh. Hindi na ako nagpo-post or anything. So if you wanna keep, being updated, uh, just go over in Instagram. Okay, so all right, so let's continue. Weekly it's pretty strong. If we're gonna close this, oh, this is gonna be very exciting. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be very exciting with Bitcoin. So, since this one is invalidated na, this zones that we did, ito one, and then and this one I'm not gonna take down the green zone. I don't know if you guys can see that in TikTok, yeah. But there's a green zone in here. I'm not gonna take it down because that's a strong resistance, previous resistance, and I can expect that area to be a what? To be a support in the future. Okay? Now, where were we? 37. I was discussing this one earlier with my private student, so let me take that out. All right. Yeah. So weekly, kanina, 'di ba? Going back on the monthly, I already explained the different candle closing and what are the conditions or effects that we can expect. So, pag nag-open tayo ng weekly, yan yung 5 days na lang. 5 days before the closing. Ito po, 5 days before the closing. So, ideally, we want the Bitcoin to close above the green line na ito. Okay, let me change this one to violet. So, I'm gonna note it down na Bitcoin to close above. To be what? To continue being bullish and possibly break the red, the monthly. Yung red, di ba guys, monthly ano yan? Monthly resistance natin yan. So, we already punched through that. We already did. So now we just need that fuel, kumbaga, to have that move. We already broke it. So the moment the weekly of the Bitcoin will have a close above this this purple line, like I have mentioned, Bitcoin will have a fight to move all the way up. Simple as that. Sige? Mhm. Okay, so I have to remove my charger because I don't know why sorry for that, nag-elect wala na. Sige. So, let me see. Let's check the comments and YouTube. Again, guys, for those who just came in TikTok, ha, eto, you can watch the full screen in YouTube. Alright, so we have Lynch. Ngayon lang nakabalik. Miss, kahapon na sa school eh. Do you guys still have school? I thought it's gonna be it's gonna be, what's the, dun? Araw ng All Souls Day, right? All Souls Day tayo. Julio, that's a really nice question. Are we gonna see big movements at dot maze? That is gonna surprise you, Julio. I'm just letting it be. The link, my link bags, I like, almost 100% return. Yung dot natutulog pa lang yan, Julio, I'm telling you, is still sleeping. So forget that you have that. Once you see the dot, all over places, open your wallet. That's it. All right. I know you're holding, so yeah, I know you're having that also. Yeah. So Raju, CFX pump. Okay. Fibonacci CFX pump. Raju, I guess, is a big holder of CFX. Yeah. Yunfei also. Okay, Lynch. Next week pa break namin, miss. Sige, sige. So, next week, ano tayo? Whole day live tayo. Whole day. Hindi 1 hour live. Whole day. Kasi ano I bet everyone will have a holiday, right? Shall we do that? Yes. Oh, you also have futures to dot. Okay, that's good. That's good, Julio. So just if you're like planning to hold it for like a long type of term, I'm telling you, still sleeping. Okay, so guys, you know the conditions to the Bitcoin. Okay, whatever is I have explained some monthly is also applicable so weekly right now. So we need the Bitcoin to close above this line in order to be bullish. Now, if Bitcoin is gonna close below that, that's a heavy rejection. Simple as that. It's gonna be a heavy rejection. That week, ito yung week na to, it's gonna be looking like this, guys. Ito. It's gonna be like that. And then with a body. Anyone familiar with the basics of candlesticks? Anyone? On my free lessons sa YouTube, guys, I have discussed this candlestick and what it means. Please, if you know that, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. Are you familiar with this candlestick? Yaka muna miss your voice. Yeah, now you can hear me. But it's unfair because I have not hear anyone else's voice in here. Yeah. Thank you for the likes. Yes, thank you, Yaka muna. Yeah, so guys, what do you think? What is this candlestick? Familiar? Yeah, let me see. Yung mga nasa YouTube dyan. Oh, you guys literally have the access free trading lesson from me sa YouTube. Andyan yan. Shooting star. That's one way, yes. Yeah. So, what else? What else? Bearish hammer. Okay. So that's the word that I just want to hear. Hammer, right? Yes, yes, it is hammer. Okay. Hammer, and in a sense, it is bearish. Okay. Why is it bearish? I have mentioned this in the free trading lesson in YouTube. It is against the resistance. So, it can be an inverted hammer and still bullish. Remember that lesson? So, right here, this is gonna be a bearish position, which we do not want. And this bearish position is not gonna be a 1 day, 2 day. It's a weekly candle. That's big. Okay, that's a big thing. So, with that said, we want the Bitcoin to close above this area, because if you'll see now, the candle is gonna look like this, diba? Ano, is it still a hammer? What do you think? Diba hindi na? Why? The body is almost equivalent to the wick. It's still considered to be bullish. Remember the candlesticks in there? We have very bullish candlesticks, simple bullish candlesticks. Yun. This is under the category of a simple bullish candlestick. It doesn't, like say, oh, it's pretty bullish, but it is bullish. Pero pag nagganyan yan, pag nag-close tayo below the, what is this? Violet line natin, that's another story. Yeah, can you guys get it now? Yeah. So with that said, we want the Bitcoin to close above this. So even ito, kahit maganyan lang yan dyan. Okay? Ito, We still have to watch for Bitcoin. If it does like this, ideally, we want it to close by the midline of the week, and preferably mga andito, and it will be really nice if the weekly will close dyan. Yes? Okay, so let me see. Hello, you. Good evening. Good evening. Yes. Oh, Carl, you're still in the office. Iwan mo na yan. Charot. Sabihin mo, ano na, holiday na po. Yes, Misha, that's correct. It's a pin bar. Oh, I know Misha. I guess, did Misha watch the video? Why? You guys know I do not use hammer. I do not use shooting star. I use spin bar. So that's really nice, Misha. Yeah, it's a pin bar. Uh, Miss, ano po yung pin bar? Ito po yung kanina. Yeah. I personally call that pin bar. So that's one way for me to tell that Misha has watched the candlestick lesson, the free lesson in YouTube. And so that's a pin bar right there. Okay. So let's continue. I understand. Let me know in the comments right now if you guys were able to buy Bitcoin anywhere below 31 or 30K at least, or at least by the 25,000 level of Bitcoin. Remember, I've mentioned this right here. This, let me try to, this highlight. Like I've mentioned, there will be a bounce. So let me know if you were able to accumulate Bitcoin right around this area, or if you have not accumulated Bitcoin at all. It's fine. We're gonna find, we're gonna find levels. Lynch, iwan mo na raw yan. Carl, full-time trader na this. Yes. Okay, so walang comments, guys. I guess everyone will manage to buy Bitcoin. Lahat nakapagbili ng Bitcoin? Yeah, below 30? That's amazing. Yeah? Else I'm not gonna give any entry right now. Okay? Yaka muna at me. Why? You're always in the live. What do you mean? Sino pa? Oh, Stephen managed to get around 26. That's good. Yeah? Yaka muna. What happened? Sige. So, currently, yaka muna, on the higher structure of our Bitcoin, this area is this is a monthly. This is what we were waiting for months, the 35K of the monthly, diba? So, we can expect this to be a rejection. And once that happens, I do not expect Bitcoin right around here. I do not expect it to correct very deeply. Like, what's the structure right here? Parang ganyan. Like all the way down, kumbaga. I don't think it's gonna see even below 30K, to be honest. I don't think so. If we did, it will play around by the correction. Okay? Depending of the monthly close, guys, what I'm speaking right now on the lower time frame, yung R4, pag yung monthly close natin was bullish, okay, meaning above the purple or the violet line right here, any correction that will happen will be andito. It's just going to be mga weeks, mga ganyan, parang ganyan, yeah. But when we have the close around here, then we can expect Bitcoin to see the level of 27, 28, okay, possibly 26, 25, or even lower, possibly. Yeah. But currently, since we are above the violet, if we did, visit, it will be maximum 30K, maximum, pinaka-maximum guys by the touch of 29K. Okay? That's the hint right now for everyone. So, since Bitcoin is literally like, you know, pretty bullish, pretty parabolic, yeah, to the upside, almost 90 degrees, oh, diba? Like 90 degrees pump yung Bitcoin, I know. So, we cannot really assume any like, oh, it's gonna like have a correction now. Not yet, but we are getting some signs, some monthly natin that there is a current stop. Yeah. So for my private students, yes, you guys understand what is a stop. There is a current stop, but still the momentum is pretty strong, okay, towards to the upside. There's not no pullbacks yet, nothing. So we have to let this one play muna. Okay, we have to let it play. So then we can process data right here. And I guess it would be a really nice guys, back during bull run. Yeah. Way back bull run, um we used to do live in my premium, we used to be around 24/7. I'm telling you, we barely sleep. I used to sleep around 3 a.m. and then we wake up like 7. Hala, grind na naman. Crypto na naman, crypto. Alam mo yung breakfast, crypto, lunch, crypto, dinner, crypto. Yun po yun sa Discord namin back then sa premium. So, I can feel that the vibes again. Diba? I can feel that. So I was thinking, since it upcoming holiday is there, and then we have a pretty big move sa Bitcoin. I might be doing a daily type of live. Hindi lang po 1 hour. We can start around like let's say 10 a.m. Yeah, everyone are awake by 10 a.m. na. Yeah, 10 a.m. all the way till afternoon, till evening. I guess we will have a break lang pag may mga private webinars ako. Yeah? Sounds good. Let me know in the let me know in the comments. What do you guys think if we'll do a full day live session? Kaya? Kaya nyo guys, yeah? So, thank you for the like. Yes. So, with that, currently by the 4 hour, Bitcoin is still high. 1 hour, okay. There's no, I don't see no signs of weakness, to be honest, with Bitcoin. I do not. So it's gonna be pretty surprising how the weekly is gonna close, and ideally above this red line. Because once we close above this red line, now let's plan the next level, okay, for Bitcoin, guys. Okay. So let's open the monthly right now. Like I have mentioned earlier, we have plotted this supply zone right around this area. Let's open the weekly just to simply refine that zone. All right. Okay, so we have another one right here. I would rather 3 days. Let's check how's the 3 day chart. Okay, interesting. Oh, that's not enough for me. Let's open the 2 day. No, okay, that's almost getting hit. 37, 38. Hi Zen, good evening. Hi. Yes. Yaka muna, that sounds good. Oh, basta whole day andun ka din, yaka muna. Yeah? Hi Zen, I'm still holding my long in Bitcoin around 27, 928, 100 and a long in ETH at 1530. Whoa. That's a really nice entry, Kaizen. Really good. Yeah, for you. Nax. Nax, yaka muna. Nakasweet naman, ano. O, kaya Carl. There. Okay. So, it's Marge. Hi, Marge. It's nice po. Nazriel, amazing. Okay. Carl, whole day kaya. Pero nakakaubos energy noon, ate. Ano na lang, pag medyo, yeah. Because, during back, back bull run, when we did the 24/7 type of live, at least may mga sub ako nun, guys. Like, papasok lang ako sa live, tapos lang, yung iba naman yung ano, magsasalita. Mga members lang din sa Discord. Yeah. But in the YouTube live, that we cannot do. 'Di ba? Ako palagi yung magsasalita. So, ano na lang guys, ambag na lang sa comment, ano. Para naman I won't feel alone, kumbaga. Yeah? Because I won't be able to hear you, yeah? So, but yes, Lynch, kaya yan. Yeah, we used to do that. So, Miss, mag-live session ka pa rin sa Bull Run. I know busy kayo. Julio, I will be live during Bull Run, like whole day. That's why I will be very busy. That's why. Sige? So, I hold 1M Nox naman, Radyo. CFX. Guys, Raju has a holding of 1M in CFX. That's good. So, Cryptivia 30K ko, 700K ngayon, in just 6 days. Oh my goodness. Degen mod lang. And it's not even bull market yet, right? Just imagine during bull market. Yeah. So with that said, okay, let me know, guys. Let me know when are you guys having holidays so we can plan those whole day live trade pala, practice. So during the bull market, we know what to do na. Okay, so stop right around that area. Today, what was I looking for again? Weekly. Yes, I was looking for a reaction pag nag-break tayo ng red line natin right now. So, there's one, but I would like to double check this one for now. Okay, that makes sense. So this area, this really small area right there. Now I will remove the monthly, guys. I don't need the monthly anymore. So I would like to remove that. Yeah. So this is the area, the first area that we can expect it to reject right here. And it's not like a strong, but there will be a reaction. And then the strongest one, let's open the daily. 0.5 around here. That can easily be broken. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, that's a multiple touch levels. Okay. So, multiple touch levels, and at the same time, it is confluencing with our demand zone of the higher time frame weekly, guys. Weekly. So, let's move this one right here. Maximum right around that area. I'm gonna move this and let's cover that as a red. I would like to keep the blue line. Okay, so let's lock them up. Alright, so for the zone, number one, first zone natin, area of rejection, if we close above the 34K, everyone listen up. If we close above the 34K, remember, I have mentioned Bitcoin is gonna have a fight to go to the upside. And it can all push parabolically all the way up till right here. 39,500, maximum 40,700. This zone, guys, ito po, yan. So, let me see if I can add notes kasi this is gonna be a long-term type of so let's try to add a note. Okay, when BTC closes above 35K right here. So what does it mean? This is gonna be our first area talaga of rejection, even, okay, if the condition is parabolic. I'm gonna expect a strong rejection at this area. So I'm gonna keep that right here. Let's lock it up. Okay, everyone, we have notes, huh? So, Dexter, ada trendline breakout na rin po from all-time high. Sana manotice. Sige, so let's track that. Yes? Dex, who else? Kaizen, Dodge, Mayari, nag-breakout na. Buti may entry ako before nag-break. That's good, Dodge. That's good. Yeah? So, Stephen, puro scalp ginagawa mo ma'am pag bull market. Not exactly so. You'll see. Uh, I have been a bull market like at least minimum twice na. So this is gonna be like my third bull market. So I'm getting ready. Parang ano, I'm going in a war again. But this time it's not gonna be like a war. It's gonna be like a fun war. Because you know what to do na. Parang ganon. But at the same time, don't get it wrong guys ah. Each bull market is pretty not entirely different than the previous one, okay? But may mga ano lang, may mga new circumstances. Like for example, the last bull market of last year after the pandemic, ang daming NFT, play to earn, 'di ba? Dodge, back on 2017 wala po 'yan. So those kind of factors, yeah, the crazy type of factors, even yung mga shit coins, guys, I'm telling you, I can tell 30% of my accumulated wealth from crypto, 30% was from shitcoin, trading shitcoin. Crazy, right? But I do not recommend that with beginners. Yeah? So, we'll see. Okay, so siguro sa president election may big movements sa market. There will be. There will be, Julio. There will be, I'm telling you. So those kind of factors, guys, I am not a fundamental trader like I've said before, but they do affect the market. That's pretty obvious. But still, I rely heavily on the technical analysis. So what you can do, guys, okay, it's not like, oh, we don't trade the fundamentals. Not so. Okay, what you can do, if you are like heavily on the technical analysis type of side, you can use the factors of like election, try to see if there's any rejection, support, and resistances, mga ganon. Or let's say like there's a pattern, there's a consolidation, yun. That's how you can use those kind of news with your technical analysis. Clear? So yes, there will be an effect on that. Let's go 24/7 live. Eh, gawin natin yan. Pag ako iniwan nyo talaga, no? Yes, drink some water, please. Yeah, yaka muna. I have to drink. I don't know why, but I drink a lot of water, but I'm not liking the weather where I am right now. Like it's humid, it's hot. I don't know why I'm here, to be honest. Hindi kita yun. Sana all. Na all. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so ito guys, 39, like I've mentioned, 39, 600, all the way. Itong zone na to talaga ha. Guys, for those who are in TikTok, if you wanna watch this, if you cannot see the value, you can see this sa my full screen natin sa YouTube, Mayari Capital po. Okay, right around here. So, ito po, makikita mo po yan. If you'll go on the YouTube. So, guys, so, this is the zone again. And the next level, I think we're gonna have a rejection muna right here. At least some quite of a rejection. And then visit this area again. So, dalawang ano tayo, dalawang resistance zone. 39 to 40, 800, okay? And then next up is 43, 43, 600, 46. Okay? Long term. Alright, so but at the current moment, as we can see, yung 1 hour natin just closed 15 minutes ago, and I was literally like expecting, or not expecting but anticipating how is it gonna be itong candles na to. But the candle that we got, what is this? Yeah, familiar? We got a pin bar candle against the resistance, so it's gonna be quite a this is currently a stop na. So I'll give you guys a hint how we can trade this. Ito. This is currently our, not a control, but more of like a wall that I would like to watch out. Why? Because when Bitcoin trades below this area, pag na ganyan yan, okay, right around here, what will happen? This is officially a correction. Okay, I'm telling you guys, it's officially a correction. So this is how you'll know it's a correction of this full-on impulse. Let me remove this. Anyone familiar, with impulse correction by now? I always mention this na. So if not, just let me know in the comments, okay? So this impulse is a straight movement, by the trend. And right now, wala pa pong correction. This is not yet a correction, ha? Not yet a correction. When will it be a correction? When we trade below this line. Yan, yung dash line po na yan. Clear? That is the 33,710. So when we trade below that, that is an official correction. Then you can try to play around with your entry na. If you want to buy Bitcoin, yes, you can buy right around this area. It's up to you na how you'll have an entry like that. If pag na-trampuhan guys that I am live, obviously, right? I share to you how we can take an entry. But since we don't have the data, how can I? Diba? We don't have the data right around here, so cannot. Currently, this much I can tell you. Okay? So yeah. What else? Alright, so I guess it's time to see some alts. Alts are gonna be pretty exciting, diba? Okay. We have a question from Jen. So, Miss question dyan sa nakalagay na close above na line, hindi na basta mag-wick or touch above sa level na yan, yung bullish parameters mo. So, okay, my bullish parameter, Jed, is by the higher time frame. I don't care what will happen on the 1 hour. I don't care what will happen on the 4 hour. But I will care how the weekly is gonna close. Okay? So, if the weekly, yun lang, as simple as that, yung weekly candle close is what I want to see. Simple as that. Pag yung weekly candle natin nag-close below this, that's bearish. If we close above that, pag may mga conditions yung close ng candle, like I've mentioned earlier. Pag around here, okay, simple, slightly semi-bearish, semi-bullish. In the middle, okay, ideal bullish, strength is there. Pag andito, near the red line, that's excellent for me, okay? That's my parameters. All right? So, God is good. Naka-hold pa rin ako sa Bitcoin bought at 27K. That is good. Okay, that's good. Okay, so Raju, ma'am, please check CFX. Okay. By the way, guys, we have a new 3 subscribers in our YouTube. Welcome. Okay, so if you know that you subscribe today, let me know in the comments. I would like to get to know you. So for those who are new in here who just, met me, guys, I do remember people. Okay, pag mag-comment ka lang dyan sa my YouTube. Okay, I do remember you. Yan. Okay, so don't be shy. Just drop by. Okay. Is pullback and correction different? It is different, Mitra. Copy miss, update ko na lang din yung sa crash course. Sure. Sige. So, Joshua Paez, 100% accurate TA mo, madam. Paldo na naman. Knocks naman, Joshua. Ano yung trade na tinake mo, Joshua? Dito ka lang nanonood sa TikTok, Joshua? Or are you also in my YouTube? Bitcoin. Okay, yeah. Like I've mentioned, guys, Bitcoin, you can never go wrong with Bitcoin, especially at the starting of a bull run. That's why if you'll see me, I heavily chart Bitcoin right now. But when you see me chart the altcoin, meaning it is altcoin time to have a move. That's why if you'll see me heavily on Bitcoin, diba? Like, why? Because it's the starting of the market phase right now. And Bitcoin is gonna have a move. Yun. TikTok po, Joshua. Sige, sige. Anyway, so let's have a check Ethereum. Ethereum, ito. Ayan, malaki po yan, yung buy na yan, ha? I have mentioned, I have told you. Okay? Pag kayo guys, hindi pa talagang bumili ng Ethereum, ewan ko na lang. I have told you, anywhere below 1,600 if Ethereum was a buy. Hindi ko to tatanggalin, okay? Yung mga nakinig, congrats. Diba? Yung mga ano, sige, I'll give you another opportunity, diba? For an entry. So right now, ito, right around this area, itong green na line na yan, let me make it dark. I mean zone. That was the zone on the lower time frame that I was giving you for an entry. Right? So buy, let's just have a estimation how much do we have a push now? That's 15% push of Ethereum, everyone. Now, miss, ano po yung 2260? So 2260 guys is our expected rejection long-term pataas. Okay? But miss, yung Bitcoin, malapit na siya sa 40K. Remember Bitcoin, guys? Wait, I'll try to show from here. Ito, change natin yan. Because people have a misconception that when the Bitcoin will have a stop of or reverse, kumbaga, or nag-stop na yung push niya, I'm telling you, yan na po yung time ng not Ethereum, but most altcoin move. What you're seeing right now sa altcoin, yung mga push na yan, that's nothing. Hindi pa po yan yung full na yan. Okay? So, eto, pag nag-hit, remember yung ano natin, yung Bitcoin natin, we have a 39,000, 40,000 right around here. And if we compare by the Ethereum, yung Ethereum natin, pretty long way to go till 2,260, right? So, let's say that once the Bitcoin will see the, the 39, 40,000, eto, andito pa lang po yan. I'm expecting it to play 2,000. Tapos, meron pa po yung last push to the upside. Usually, that is how it goes. Okay? I'm just not, hindi lang po ako nagme-mention dito ng mga, what is that, type mga conditions. I'm telling you with experience. Okay? So, if you listen, that's it. It's up to you. You take what suits you. But yeah, so 2,260 is a major resistance for Ethereum. We got a buy right here, 1,600. So let's see if we can try to have a buy again on the lower time frame, yung mga hindi po nakabili. So currently, our Ethereum is facing a resistance, which is the 1,800. Yeah, 1,800. And this resistance is similar to the Bitcoin. I'll make this one red then. Let us, you remember daw guys, the Bitcoin red line of the monthly? It is this line then also. Does that make sense? So, if we broke that red line, pag nag-close yung candlestick natin ng Bitcoin, right here, okay, Bitcoin to, pag nag-close yun above the red line, with Ethereum, pag nag-close din to above the red line, nothing is stopping Ethereum to hit 2,200. But since we are below the trend line right now, okay, possibly we will have a correction. So we're gonna be, prepare for that. But currently, Ethereum is playing a what? A still similar parabolic move with Bitcoin. Now, so miss, when is the correction gonna start? Understandably, this is a full-on impulse of the Ethereum. Wala pa pong correction. Okay, wala pa po. So, I'll give you a line right here. Guys, if we trade below this level, yan, I'll make it similar to the Bitcoin na lang, like for a standard na ano natin. If we trade below this level, that is the start of a correction of an Ethereum. Okay? So 1,800, once we trade below that, then you can prepare for an entry for Ethereum. So if I am live during that time, obviously then we can plan some entry together, diba? But, try to, guys, trust yourself, have confidence, to do your chart. I know you guys can do, right? If miss, I don't know, wala pa po akong background, I have not studied yet. Head over on my YouTube, ito, Mayari Capital, and on my playlist po sa may free trading lesson po doon. Free po yun, okay? Complete, basic. That's more than enough for you in order to know what I'm doing in here and possibly have your entry. I'm telling you, yeah? So, oops. Kita si Kong. Kong TV. Sino yung mga nanonood dito ng Kong TV? Yung mga nasa YouTube hindi nakita. Mga nasa TikTok. Nag-ano na. So, Ethereum, that's it. That's our condition. Now, link I already seen link. Okay? So, funny. Excuse this, guys. This was I was doing a private mentorship with my student, and yep, this was our lesson right here. Ito. So, don't ask me to explain na. It's a pretty long. This is a long explanation right here, yung mga ganito. The private lessons. Okay, so link, let's see. Yeah, so this was this arrow right here when, we're expecting the conditions. Okay, we had our own conditions. So lower time frame, 15 minutes. Let's see. Okay. Anyway, so let me remove that. All right. So currently, if we guys can, if we'll see the link by the 15-minute chart right now, there is an equal high and then what is this? A movement like this. So is it safe to assume that miss? We could possibly be moving in a channel. No, in a pattern. What do you guys think? In a pattern? Possibly. Yeah. So somewhat like a rectangle, we can assume that due to the almost same high right here. And wait, let me try to refine this. Yan. So something like this, guys. So yeah. Yan. Right at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. So with that said, with link right now, this is a serious rejection. When I say serious, guys, it's it's not like, oh, link is gonna go more up pa. I guess, of course, a weeks, months from now, sure, it will have a go up. I mean, it will have a push up. But currently po, with link, wala pa po siyang correction. Okay, so as you guys can observe, out of all the coins that we're doing, most of them does not have any correction yet. Okay, so Miss, where can I refer my correction po? Okay, I mean, like, in order for me to know that, Miss, it's an ongoing correction. Once we trade below the 10 of link, then that right there is gonna be a correction. Okay, so if you have not bought link, okay, right around this area by the demand zone, okay, already stated in here, by the demand zone, that is a ideal entry for you to buy link again. However, let me tell you something. This is not the normal condition. Oh, supply, demand, supply. No. We now have the factor of what? Money flowing into crypto. This is not like a normal move now of like, pumping, dumping. This is a parabolic move. So with that said, I don't think we're gonna touch by the demand zone. By this level, I guess, 9.6, 9.7. Pag nag-break to guys 9.7, 9.6. I'm telling you an entry now with link. 9.6, 9.7, 9.4. Yan po. If you have not bought link yan, that's the area that I can recommend you to do. Basta nandito lang ako sa gilid nananahimik. Sige, Nami. Mag-appear kayo ni Carl dyan. Sige. Ken, good evening, coach. Yes, hello, hello, Ken. Nice to meet you. Yep. Uh, so Rune after their fiasco, not quite sure, Jen. I myself, I do not trade Rune, as you can, as you have observed. For the past weeks, I'm observing the major coins talaga. Yun. So currently with the altcoins, I do not explore it yet. I don't want to do the same mistake that I did last bull market kasi. And that's another lesson. That's another session, okay? Yeah, so what you're seeing, it's already planned by me. Okay? So, yung love language ko talaga ang quality time. Yan, next naman. Sige, sige. Okay? Mag-quality time tayong lahat dito. Okay? All anime, how much pa private? Ma'am, all anime, message me in my Instagram. Okay? So we can talk about it. Again, guys, I'm not gonna be accepting private students by the end of this year. I mean, once this year ends, I'm not gonna be accepting again. Okay? Um, I've stated my reason, right? So, one main reason ba ng pump today is related to the war, ate? Oh, I wanted to do a live over that Israel and the Palestinian war and how it can affect crypto. And that was way before the pump. And crazily, I was out. I was roaming outside, guys. So that was my bad. Like literally my bad. I could have, um, shared to you guys my thoughts, and possibly you guys would have been able to ride the so that was my bad. Yeah, what to do. Anyway, so I'll give you this one a brief, what was, because last time Raju was asking me, Raju, hello, hello, yes. I know you asked me what were my thoughts about the Israel and then the Palestinian war, but during that time, I guess you were way too advanced with the news because I haven't heard of it yet. So I cannot comment on it. But like I guess a day or two later, then boom, I saw the news. I saw on the internet, then only, you know, I saw it. And stock market, guys, okay, the general market, they have a dump. Crypto at the same time, it has a a small dip to the downside, But you know what did it reminded me? Crypto, no, no, COVID market crash. It is not a crash. What just happened now with the war in Israel and Palestine was not a crash. But the deep that we did, what that we saw, is similar on that. Especially general market, everything was affected. But it was like it reminded me of the COVID. And at the same time, guys, um, that was like one of the bullish section of the October natin. Uh, why Bitcoin has pumped. Uh, that was my bad. I was not in live. I haven't managed to share that idea and that bias with you. But, yeah. Kaya bumabawi po ako ngayon. Sige. Yeah. So, with that said, yung Israel, tsaka yung Palestinian war, it's a really sad thing. Yes, very sad. But in terms of the crypto, it's one of the factor that is pushing the price right now. Any This is by experience, okay? I'm telling you, any negative events happening in you know globally with crypto, guys, yes, it will have a dent, okay? It will have a dip, it will have an effect, but sometimes it is like the gasoline to the fire of crypto. And what we just saw right now was that. Eto po, yung push ng Bitcoin pataas. Remember yung Bitcoin, we were just expecting that to do a B-leg. Yes? Technical analysis wise, that was supposedly to be a B-leg lang. Remember? This in a cycle of Elliott wave, this is a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ganyan. And then right here was supposed to be an A, B, and C. Remember that? That was just supposed to be it. But now, I have to revise it and consider this one as a sharp type of correction, which is A, B, and C. And what is happening right now is now possibly a continuation of the another cycle. Ganun. So, cycles, wave, whatever structure strategies that you guys are doing, if there are like major movements in market like crypto crash, the war, I mean COVID crashes, market will have its own move talaga. It will break the technical aspects of it. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah. What else? Good evening, coach. Anong mga month or year ang bull run? Little did Russia, welcome. Yes. Cute ng name, ah. Little DD Russia. So, like I have mentioned before, bull run typically will start around, not the bull run ha, but more of a bullish movement. Yung mga bullish movement like what we're seeing right now starts by October, November, and then fueled around December, midweek specifically of December, around 16 and 17 of December. Ah, so right around that area. And typically, 16 and 17, it's not like, oh, the moment we hit that date, bullish na. No. That 16, 17 of the December is usually the point of, are we gonna go down or are we gonna go up? I'm gonna discuss that when we get on that date, okay? So I don't want you guys to have that, overloaded um knowledge. Yeah, let's do it day by day. This is an experience. I want to take you guys with me. Okay? So as we did before nung July, what I was explaining with you, yung August, what we can expect, Yung September to be a bearish month happened. October, November. Hopefully, what I'm sharing with you is my personal experience throughout the bull market and bear market that I have experienced. Yes. So Joshua Prieto Cruz, ilang years na ba kayo nagtitrade, ma'am? I have been trading since 2015, 1 year with Forex market, and then crypto since 2016-17. Yeah, so you can do the math, alright? So, anong year ang bull run? Lil did siya. Next year, we're gonna have the halving again. And I have been waiting for this for years. It's been 3 years now since 3 to 4 years since the last one. And during the halving, guys, let's see what news are we gonna get during that time again. But there will be a fundamental factor again, for sure. Unexpected fundamental factor that will affect it. But 2024 will see the move late it year. Okay. Last year of 2024, that is where we can see some movements. Okay. Oops, sorry. Sorry for those who are in TikTok. My bad, my bad. Okay. Okay. All right. So, um, continue. Okay. So let's add. Hello, Raju. Are you here? Raju. Yes. Let's do your CFX. CFX USDT. Okay, let Raju reply, have a reply, and then let's do it, okay? Kanina pa to guys si Raju. Okay, let's see. Alright, resistance. Okay, so Raju, I guess, is asking for a resistance. So, Raju, if you're, I know you have a holding of CFX, resistance is coming up right around this area. So be mindful with your holding. Now, let me have a quick wait here. This one is a one. Open the weekly. Okay. I guess this was a 0.6 type of section. Golden level 0.6, 0.7. One. And now, okay. Let's go back on the daily. 1, 2, tingnan natin. Okay, Raju is here. Sige. So, sorry, I was just doing it like real quick. Okay, Raju. So, resistance that you can expect is right around this area. Okay. And let me refine it for you right here. So, if we'll check it level by level, Raju, this one is almost hitting the golden level of the Fibonacci. And ideally, your rejection, if you want to do like by the snipe type of rejection, Raju, it's by this area, like right at the 0.1700. But what this is my personal advice lang, take it or leave it, it's up to you, is to secure some profits already right at this point. Where are you at right now? Because we are already hitting the golden pocket level. If you're trading it by swing, that's what I'm telling right now, okay? Golden pocket level is already hitting up, Raju. So 0.1599. That's why, can you see we have a wick. That was not just like a simple wick, okay, or, rejection. It is by the reaction on our projection right here. So now, what are the chances that we can possibly hit 1,000 0.167, something like that? It's there, but you can say the probability would be sitting around 60-70%. Yeah. 60, 65, 55, around there. So if it hits, okay, then good. But where are you at right now? My point is, where you at right now is at a really good take profit zone already. So I'm not saying to take everything out, secure the profit. It's up to you how you will manage it. But personally, I would take like roughly like 30%, 50% of my profit depending on the trade, huh? Okay? But that's my personal take. Now, if you're holding I mean CFX for a long term section, okay, if you're doing like spot, Raju, please let me know if you're doing spot or futures. Yeah. Hello, hello everyone. For those who are in TikTok, by the way. Hi, hi. Okay. Uh-huh. Just a moment, guys. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Oh, guys, we're almost hitting 1,400 subs. Isa na lang. Everyone, isa na lang. Oh, sino yung gusto mag-hit na 1,400. Isa na lang po. We're almost hitting. One sub na lang sa my YouTube. Yes? By the way, if you wanna go in YouTube full screen, ito po. Mayari Capital right there. Okay? Enjoy Story, thank you for liking the live. Okay, Raju, so spot. Okay, so spot, mom, sige. Alright. So spot, Raju, I assume you want to hold it long term? Like, can you please give me a projection? How long would you like to hold this trade? Can you hold it like for a month, 3 months, 6 months, hell, a year? Or is this like a trade of like swing trade? I want to take my profit and then head on to another trade. Let me know, Raju. So, I can give you the best idea. Okay? Please let me know. Oh! Finally, guys! 1,402. Welcome to our new 3 subscribers. Yes. So happy, please. I know, drop some my comment section sa YouTube. I would like to get to know you, okay? Or just like simply see your name, right? Just don't be shy to drop by and say hi. As Raju, 6 months. So I assume it's gonna be long term, Raju. Okay, so let's do a long term analysis. Because right now this one does not matter, Raju. Okay. That rejection that you're seeing. Raju, if you're holding it for 6 months, forget about it. Okay? So okay, so first rejection right here, if you're doing a day trading, swing trading, of course that level is gonna matter. 6 months. So let's try to open the 3-day chart. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? By the way, yung mga nasa YouTube guys, or is it the internet? Wait, let me type in sa YouTube. How's the internet on, everyone? Is it laggy? Teka muna, I think it's you. Um, okay, so let's have a reset, right? Um, 1, 2, 3. Oops, that's too much. I still want to see that. Okay, right there. FX Oh, okay. That was a good one. Broken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Interesting. Okay. Um, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right here. And then we have a full on long. How long was this consolidation or correction was happening? Almost a year, roughly almost a year. So, gonna be A, B, C, D. It's pretty short, but that makes sense by the trend line, by the E. Yeah, yeah, right there. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, so Raju, as you can see right now, if I'll do the chart like this, what you're seeing, this candle right here, it is nothing. Nothing in a sense of like the movement that you just got. It does not mean anything yet. Not yet. You can expect CFX by 6 months, 6 months to have a move all the way to the zero point 0.4 level, zero point 0.4 level or this resistance area. So relax, Raju, okay? Have a chill. Close your wallet, your crypto wallet. Yeah, so that's it. That's the resistance that I'm seeing with CFX. You can expect that if you're giving it 6 months from now, all the way up around this area. Okay, Raju? Yeah, right around here. So really now, guys. How about now, everyone? Okay, Raju. So that's it. Long term, if you're holding it for spot, Raju, that is the level that you can expect it to have a that major rejection, zero point 0.4. Clear? Alright, so let's see. I guess we're gonna have some possible correction with the coins now for the next couple of days now. Yeah, I guess it's my connection, guys, now. It is my connection now, I guess. Because even my trading view is laggy. Okay. Anyways. Oh, why did we went back to 1,399? What is this, guys? What do you... Ba't tayo bumalik dito? Huh? Ayaw nyo guys ng 1,400? Mag 1,399 na lang talaga? Ah, so... Kaya na guys, wag na lang po mag 1,400. Lagay na lang po natin sa 1,399. Okay? Anyways, so I guess I have to end the live now. Yeah, it's past. It's good to be back, to be honest. I like doing live like this. Yeah. But I understand it's getting late in Philippines now, so I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Okay? And thank you for being here tonight. For those who are in TikTok, yung mga bago pa lang po, for those who just met me, welcome. I'm happy to meet you guys, okay? As well. Thank you, everyone. Yes, see you, madam. Yes, bye, Raju. Nazrel, discounted price po, ma'am. So, I guess, yeah, yung 1,399 discounted. Oh, now we hit 1,400. You guys are playing with me, huh?